Welcome to .com Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a reviews section or testimonials section in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to the website that you want to add the reviews or testimonials section on, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and let's say that I want to add a new testimonials section here. So here, where you want your reviews or testimonials section to be added, click on this Add Section button. It shows between two sections. Now select or scroll down to testimonials. This is it. Click on it. And now select a testimonials template from those that Hostinger provides. Let's go with this one. And just like that, it will be added to the page. Now, how to edit those testimonials or reviews? Let's say that you don't need this subtitle element. Select it like this and click on delete. Now you can reorder the reviews like this. You can also adjust this section height from here to make it a little bit longer. You can duplicate or my bad. Let's see if I can duplicate a complete review like this. My bad, let's undo this action. Okay, since I can't duplicate those selected elements all at once, what I will do, I will select the section like this, duplicate the section to have two sections, and now I will select all of those one review elements and drag and drop them here. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And now I will select all of those one review elements and drag and drop them here. Just like that. Same thing for the second. My bad. Let's undo this action. Select all and place it here. Where is the text? My bad. Just like that. I don't know why the text. Okay, let's bring to the send to the back. Just like that. This is used as the background, and those on top of it like this. Just like that, I have a 4 reviews section, and of course this one I can delete it from here. Select, delete, and you can readjust the section height. Now, how to edit this this section? First thing, if you want to edit the section background color, pick or select the section like this, click on edit section, and here you can go with color like this. You can pick an image like this, or you can go with even a video like this one. For this video I will go with a simple color. Let's pick this gray color, and here to edit those stars, just double click the star like this and delete how many stars you want. And if you want more stars, select one and hit Command C or Control C to copy, and then paste it with Command V or Control V like this. You can also edit the text or the testimonial text from here. I will undo this, and you can change the reviewer photo from here. Select it, click on edit image, replace image, and you can upload your photo from your computer. And of course, don't forget to update your website to publish this new reviews or custom or testimonials section. Now let's view my new section live. This is it, customer reviews, and those are the testimonials. And this is how to add a testimonials or reviews section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.